What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today to be doing something pretty interesting. I'm installing aftermarket daytime running lights on this G80, and I couldn't believe that this car was 6-speed. That shit was insane. First off, we're gonna start by taking off these two brackets. They hold on the LEDs for the daytime running light. Yo, this Harbor Freight heat gun actually caught on fire while I was using it. After you heat it up quite a bit, you're gonna take a razor blade and try to pry it out. Then you're gonna scrape off the old thermal paste. This kind of feels like when you're installing a new CPU on the motherboard. I personally would recommend some thermal 3M tape. This paste took forever to dry and it was sliding around all over the place. So while you're taking out the lower fender liner, I will let it dry a bit. So you gotta take the fender liner off to reach the bottom bracket as well. You're gonna need a special BMW tool. This thing was pretty expensive. And there's only two bolts, one right there and one up there. And that's where the special tool comes to play. You can also use a 2.5 Allen wrench as well. I actually would prefer this. Use this, guys. All right, now we got the bracket out and we're gonna transfer over the LEDs. Remember guys, heat is your best friend. You're gonna have to heat it up a while. So one side was working and the other wasn't, which was weird. And it started working when we backed the car out, but the car looks pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. That's how you switch your white LEDs to yellow LEDs for the daytime running lights. I'll see y'all boys in the next one. Peace.